Hi, my name is Dr. Coleman. Today I want to talk about code.org. Code.org. There are different projects that students can work on where they can learn how to code. Um, and to sign in, you can just sign in using your Google account. So students explore courses, find a class, write a code, do an hour of code, and so forth. So let's just go ahead and just get started. And let's just try one of these Minecraft games. Now, I'm not going to try to do the whole game now. It takes some time. But I can just go ahead and get it started. There are videos and so forth. So I'm just going to select my character, Alex. You need supplies for the voyage ahead. Collect a boat from the chest. So move forward, run. Okay, so now I can take a look at my code. Students can go ahead and just put this into a Google slide to record their progress and just click continue. And this is the next level. And I want to move forward. I want to turn right. I want to move forward. Maybe move forward again. Boats are much easier than swimming in open water. Head to the end of the dock to hop aboard. Okay, so let's just click around. Let's see what happens. Okay, so students should screenshot their work, copy this, copy the other, move on to the next level. So as students do this, they are learning the coding process. Go grab the oars and pilot your boat across the open seas to catch the cod. Mhm. So move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Just want to take a guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just see what happens. Okay, that's great. Students can screenshot this, paste their work so I can see the code. We can go forward from there. Go on to the next level. Now we're at level 4. There's a video here the students can watch, kind of explain things.
Great, we've caught a codfish. Did you know if you feed a codfish with...
Okay, so now instead of us just doing move forward, we're going to use the repeat command. And what the repeat command is, it is like a loop. Think of it as a loop. Let's feed the cod to the dolphin. Use a repeat until blocked to get across the ocean faster. Let's just click run. Okay, so I use fewer lines of code, almost the same distance, but less code. I just wrote 2 lines of code this time. Now screenshot that, put that into a Google slide so I can see the work. We move on to the next level. This is level 5. And you just keep on going until you get to the final level, and then you complete. So this is the Minecraft Voyage Aquatic within code.org. This is a game that students can use to learn how to program. Again, this is something used across the country, code.org, for computer science students. This is Dr. Kendall Coleman.